Well, today we're making pumpkin pancakes. You start off with my basic pancake recipe. These are the dry ingredients for it. I have 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. To that I'll be adding the dry ingredients for the pumpkin pancakes. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon ginger, half a teaspoon nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. I like to mix all my dry ingredients together first and then add in all the liquid. And there we have all the dry ingredients mixed together. In a separate bowl I put together all of the liquid ingredients. For the basic pancake recipe, that's 1 egg, 3/4 a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And then for the pumpkin part, add in half a cup of pumpkin puree and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you whisk it all together. After you have it all whisked together, you then put it in with the dry ingredients and mix them up. And that's what you got when it's all whisked up together. While I'm waiting for the pan to heat up, this is a project that I did with my STEM class. For the pancakes, we made, let's see if I can zoom in, pumpkin pancakes, blueberry pancakes, strawberry pancakes, and apple pancakes. What we did is we researched different recipes, wrote them down, took the amounts and ingredients from the different recipes, combined them together, and then we made different trials with different mixtures. Like for example, the pumpkin pancakes, we made 4 different types of pumpkin pancakes, and then I had the middle school students taste test them to come up with this one, which was the best tasting. And one thing you do not want to do is start cooking on a griddle that's not warmed up. And it's almost there. You put a little less than 1/4 cup for each of the pancakes. They will get very thick as they cook. And there you have it, pumpkin pancakes. The recipe's in the description. I also included the recipe for the basic pancake, pumpkin pancake, blueberry pancake, strawberry pancake, and apple pancake. And they are all delicious according to my students.